Stacy's having a hard time walking. Steffi, stop.
Hey, buddy.
There goes Daddy.
Hey, buddy. Okay, Mr. Bunny Rabbit.
Buddy don't know what to think of it either. Look at his face. Steffi, he don't like that. Don't do that.
Oh, buddy, go, buddy. Buddy. Stop.
Steffi, stop doing that. Stacy?
Buddy.
Look at me, Stacy.
Don't chase him, just call it.
What do you think of this stuff?
I think
Is your leg stuck? Look, you can't even see her leg, Alan. Is she in a hole?
No.
That's a workout for her.
Here, buddy. Come on.
Stacy? Uh-oh, whose gloves he got?
I know, but where's your other one,
Get
Steph?
it, Steffi. You go find them.
Get it.
Come here, buddy.
Come here, buddy. Come on.
Uh-oh, Alan.
Well, she'd sit out and call him instead of chasing him. He's trying to make a game of it.
Don't tear my tree down, Steph.
Come here, bud.
Hey, buddy. We're not from the mama.
Look at Stacy. She's going to get it. Ugh. Watch you jump. Watch you jump, eh? Uh-oh. It's up to his chest. Now go get the other.
other one, Steph.
Thank you for all.
It's up to Stacy's knees, Al.
Buddy, no. Daddy, no.
Don't be mean. He just wants to play.
He's biting me. Buddy, stop, buddy.
Be careful, you might miss one.
So boring out his true nature.
Stacy can't find the steps.
Be careful.
She ain't even on the steps, is she?
They probably heard that.
Sheila, you should do that on film.
Steffi, don't lay in it. You'll get all wet.
I can't get up. Buddy, help.
Too big. I can't use it. Little. You will. It makes it better.
She's coming down backwards.
Hey.
Where's the steps at, Stace? Where's the steps at?
Stuff is heavy. What?
I throw a snowball at her.
Don't do that, Steffi. She don't like it.
Here, buddy. Here, buddy. Boy. Here, buddy.
You're gonna get all wet, Stace.
I don't feel so good.
You will be.
Sheila, just work yourself on down the driveway there.
Yeah.
See if you can get it all out of the driveway.
Sure Al. Move, Stacy. Steph, don't do that. I'm trying to get it on.
Daddy!
Steph, you're gonna get soaking wet down there.
I don't feel so wet.
Do I?
I got on my boot.
You don't have no socks on either.
I guess I won't even attempt this.
Here, buddy! Bye-bye, buddy. Yes. Well, will you do that? Pay in the glass, you know? Will you? Chad!
Well, hurry up.
Thank you.
Wait a minute. Ooh, I got snow on my boots.
I bet it don't snow at the house. It's sticky.
Steph.
We'll get Stacy.
Turtle head.
Alright. Get on.
Thank you. Daddy, get Quest to come out here. She is out here.
Get west, Daddy.
Get what?
Stacy said to get west. Look, that's his porch.
Hey, Steph. Take this broom and sweep the hood off just a little bit, and then we can see how much more snow we get later on. Okay. Now don't, just sweep the hood off a little bit.
Let's see how long it takes to cover it back up.
I think it's about 7:30.
Let me look. Stacy, where you at? Stacy!
Go around back.
What, just right here where you shoveled the dirt?
Right there.
I don't think you can really tell it. Unless somebody stands out there.
Quit moving around, yeah.
Stacy! She's already gone, Daddy. She's been down to swing set. Snow's already almost up to the swing.
Hey, buddy boy. Come on.
Right now we're dealing with this in the western North
See,
Carolina.
the superstorm ain't
This in
hit
South
shit
Carolina, but my goodness, look at all this that we've got to deal with
He's
in
coming!
the next 12 to 24 hours. All of this moving in over the upstate, changing over to a mix of rain, sleet, and snow, mostly definitely snow in western North Carolina, so you can see where we can get additional accumulation on already what we have received
Wet.
so far. So if you're anywhere within my voice in the 13 WLOS WXA TV 40 viewing area, very, very dangerous storms. Stay in sight. Stay tuned right here. We'll keep you updated. Back to you, Brenda.
All right, thank you, Barry.
Let's go live now to Linda Dawson. She's out somewhere in this mess. Linda, what's the situation? Are you able to get around out there at all this morning?
Brenda, without four-wheel drive, it is virtually impossible to get around. The picture we showed you just a few minutes ago showed you a car with front-wheel drive that was not able to get around. The snowplows are out. Here's one about to pass us here on Charlotte Street. Excuse me, but they are having a hard time keeping up with this, and they are just trying at the moment to keep the primary roads clear. That's true for state crews, that's true for local crews. We have an unofficial measurement here we're going to do for you right here on Charlotte Street. We're going to stick this ruler in and see what we've got. Definitely unofficial, just about 11 inches here, and it is still falling. We have a little bit of road information for you. As we told you, I-40 is impassable in places. It is especially bad at the Haywood and Buncombe County line, and the Highway Patrol says that's where they're concentrating most of their efforts right now. They have some trucks that are having problems getting through. There's some tractor trailers, so they say please stay off the road. I-26, the Green River Bridge area, is supposed to be impassable. We're trying to get someone out there. The Asheville Airport is closed. They expect it will be closed most of the day. CP&L is saying about 30,000 people are without power, mostly in North Asheville, Weaverville, Woodfin. They expect it will be most of the day before they can get that back on. We have seen tree company crews out trying to clear up some of the trees that are falling. It seems like as soon as they pick one up, another falls. Cable lines are out, power lines are out. We would remind you that you do not know if those lines are alive or dead. If you see any lines down, do not touch them. It could just be a cable line. It could be anything else. Don't touch them. If one falls on your car, just stay in your car. They're trying to get to folks as soon as they can. Another thing, we have checked with the American Red Cross to see if they're setting up an emergency shelter. We're waiting on a call back to see what's going on with that. The EOC, the emergency management team, has set up a command post at their headquarters. We're waiting on word for them on what's going on. We're trying to get some officers to come over with us and give us some specific trouble spots, but they are so tied up saying, please don't go out unless you absolutely have to. I don't have a four-wheel drive vehicle. I didn't even try and make